everybody. Welcome to Good to Know. I'm Rebecca and I have an awesome product to review for you. It is a light. Okay, you may be thinking, what's so awesome about a light? Well, this light is actually, for those of you who have a YouTube channel or do any kind of videoing or anything, photography, that's what is so awesome about this light. So this light is very affordable. Let me try to get it in the picture here. It was very affordable. I think we paid about $50 for it.
And this is a little different from that circle light that we did.
Right. Now we do have a ring light also that we use. So we can use the ring light on one side and this one on the other side because they both have like little twist dials to show what level of light they have. And this white piece is actually a filter. Can I get it off of there? So the white piece comes off and it exposes all these LEDs. And it's called a barn door light because these will also fold in, which
Nice for storage.
Nice for storage. And you can open them up all the way for giving you more of a broad light, or you can narrow your light
for
this
like
way.
Focusing like on our dinner plates,
Right.
whatever stuff.
Now, here we go. I've just turned it on to barely anything. It's 3% at 56K. And of course the camera's picking up this instead of me, so I've dimmed out on it. And I'm going to blind you here, so I warn you. This thing is going up. So that is all the way up at 100%, and we have this set at 56K. And we can turn it down so that John's not blinded anymore.
As you see that it had a daylight and a yellow
Right, so
light.
I had it, let's see, put it on low for you. So
That's daylight there.
that's daylight, and then you can turn it down to more of a warm glow, more of a yellowish light. And the reason that this is important is because it will color your objects or your subjects.
Throw the shadows off.
Throw the shadows off. So this is me with this light on, and it's actually, I can see it's lighting up both sides of me pretty good.
Well, you got it on low.
I know, but it's
okay.
lighting up
Oh,
both
yeah.
sides of me pretty good.
Yeah.
So there we go. So now you can kind of see more of what it's doing. And there we go with the daylight, which it kind of washes me out this close and this focused. Let's see what, open it up, and it broadens the light fixture or the light focus. So yeah, that's going to blind me too.
So yeah, it's good for photographers, videoers.
So, you know, if you've got a blog that, especially your food blogs, you know, this would be an amazing light. It's affordable. So that's what makes it so great. It's an amazing light to use for your food photography or just, you know, any kind of photography that you're going to have. We put this on this tripod. It does not come with the tripod. But what it does come with,
It's like a camera mount that came
right,
with it.
It does. It has a camera mount. It's very easy to mount.
Phone mount. That's what I meant. A camera phone mount, basically. Yeah.
Well,
It's a little different than your regular camera mounts. It's a phone mount.
turn this around so you guys can see. Yeah, pole mount.
Let me
Get you a close up of this.
close up in here. Now I'm gonna. Oh, hold on.
So optional batteries go in here. We did not order the batteries. This is your on-off switch. So one side is on if you've got it plugged in. The other side is on if you've got the batteries in. And this is where you adjust the warmth of the light. And this is where you adjust the strength of the light.
Brightness.
So this is the tone, and this is the brightness. This is where you plug it in, Well, just a standard, looks like a 5-volt.
Looks like a
Plug-in.
computer plug-in.
Right.
Computer power
And
cord.
what really threw me off when we first got it was I was looking at this thinking that, because it looks to me like a cable plug, like
Cable
a
jack.
coaxial cable. And I was, where do you plug this in? Couldn't figure it out. Well, you know, dummy me, goes right in there,
It's adjustable up here on the sides and at the bottom.
right? It's got just the
Lockdowns.
easy lockdowns here, so you can lock it in place. This is by FOSITAN.
That's the name of it right there. It's
Right
a
there.
L4500K,
And then
the
there's some,
power stuff.
Other stuff, yep.
Yeah.
And it does come with a little instruction booklet.
And you really don't. There's not a whole lot
No,
to it.
there's really not. And really, you know, we keep this, we use it so much, we keep it
Came with a
set
bag,
up.
right?
Yeah, it came with a carry bag. So the point of the batteries, which I was going to say, is if you want to take it outside where you have no power outlet, you know, say if you want to shoot at night or just in, you know, a dim, like under a carport or something like that, then your battery packs will allow you to illuminate what you're shooting outside where you don't have power.
And by folding the flaps down, you protect the lens and the lights.
Yep. And you could also get different colored
Panels.
panels. Yeah, that's how much we like it. We're going to leave a link down below so that you can go to Amazon and check this out for yourself, because it really is a phenomenal deal. They frequently run sales on this thing, so why don't you go and check it out. FOSITAN's lights, they have more than just this style. They have many different lights for photography and videos.
Or barbecuing.
Yeah, you can use it for barbecuing
Take it
at
out
night.
and
Yeah.
lights, and especially if your battery, you have nowhere to plug it in, you have the battery packs, you just go out there and turn it on.
Yeah, if you need to work on your car at night,
Car,
or
yeah,
get a flat tire at night.
It does more than just camera stuff.
Yeah, so I mean, it's a very good light to have for just about anything. The LEDs are going to last for a really long time. LEDs have years of life in them. So that's our review. Thank you so much for joining us. My name is Rebecca. This is Good to Know. And John is behind the camera. He's a tired one today. Please like, subscribe, share with everybody. Go check us out on our cooking channel, and that is called CastIronSkilletKitchen. And most important of all, you guys come back. Thanks.